Say good day to the Ducks Nuts of Jetovac Combo excavation trucks. A whopping 24 tonnes of grunt and muscle to get the job done on time and on budget. Heavy-duty lockable side storage boxes, secure Durap or Gardner Denver blower centre housing and large accessory container for hosing, lances and tools. Caterpillar engine for low maintenance operation. Effortless discharge of spoilage through the large rear door. Fully hot dip galvanised tanks ensure years of little or no maintenance issues. No more rust. Our Jetta Drain Cleaner machine cleans drains from 90mm to 1800mm in diameter and cuts through tree roots with its root cutter attachment. Your choice of top quality Durap or Gardner Denver blowers. Standard pneumatic pop-up safety railings to minimise the risk of falls. Wireless remote controlled suction boom for extra effortless hose reach. Optional truck scales available to avoid overloading fines. Call 1300 998 784 or visit stgglobal.net to find out more about our range of ready-to-work trucks.